After the packaging department has finished packing the products into boxes, for the marketing department that will open an invoice for sales, how do you check if the packaging department has already packed the product into boxes? Go to the delivery schedule report and then please select the delivery date range. We will see that this work is already packed in boxes from the requirements we entered. There will be 4 tasks. This one has already been moved to the packaging process, so we can take all of these tasks. Hey, go open the invoice now. Go to the Sales Order System section and go to Sales Invoice Entry by PO ID. Press ADD, select Customers, but this time we select Able. When finished, just press F8 on this PO ID. The system will pull the PO ID that has been packed in the box. We can choose this job. We are opening all invoices. This PO ID job has 500 pieces. And the F product is 300 pieces. And this work, 550 pieces, is now complete. That is, we can save invoice, the system will then cut the stock of FG, or it may make a program confirm to cut the stock again. When finished, we can print the invoice as we specified. This is us selling our work to able customers. Go to For Events. Another one is from BTA customers. Click here. We will see the total work completed by the packing department. That can be opened for sale automatically. Go ahead and do it. It's done, so to sum it up, all we have done is that the products have been cut from the invoice and sold out. If we review again, we calculate the MRP. See what happens. There will be no more information because we have already completed the work from the beginning. Okay, so let me review it again. What we did was we started by opening a sales order. According to the work assignment from the beginning. We choose to use the one that is an assembly job or because it will be complicated, so if the customer is a work, it will be even easier if we have a working problem starting from how much raw material is left, how much assembly work is left, how many purchase orders are left, and we have received sales order from customers that we have to enter in 2 periods and 2 cases. And we have been using the program since the beginning, providing MRP calculation software for adjusting production plans and raw material ordering plans every day, combining production lots, opening production orders, packing, opening sales invoices for customers. The examples presented are simple, but in actual operation, we will have many activity codes and data. We will gradually work or open production orders according to the lots that can be opened as the program checks and check the actual production capacity before production. This is an industry that is suitable for strategic ERP MRP system. We would like to end the training here. Thank you very much.